going to see the story for letter A. What sound does the letter A make? A makes the sound A. Repeat with me, children. A says A. A says A. Come on, let's move into the story. It was a bright and a sunny day. The birds were flying happily in the sky. There was a beautiful house. Let us look at whose house this is and what is happening in this beautiful house.
Hello kids, I'm Mommy Alligator and this is my kid, Baby Alligator.
Mommy, could you please bake an apple pie for dinner?
Sure, we shall bake an apple pie together. First, we will go fetch some apples from the garden.
Both Mommy and Baby Alligator go to their garden to get some apples.
Can you help me pick out these apples?
But Mommy, I can't reach the other apples.
Wait, let me help you out.
Thanks, Mommy.
Both Mommy and Baby Alligator take the apples and go to their kitchen to bake the apple pie.
Shall we bake the apple pie?
Okay, Mommy.
First, we should put on our apron. Let us cut the apples.
Can I cut the apples, Mommy?
Small children should not play with knives. They are very sharp objects.
Okay, Mommy. I will use knife only when I grow up, just like you.
We will first cut the apples into half. And then the halves into quarters. We have cut all the apples we require to make our apple pie. Come, let's gather all our baking equipment.
Both Mommy and Baby Alligator start baking their apple pie.
Mommy, look, there are so many tiny black creatures in the sugar pot.
Don't worry, baby, those are just ants. Shall we blow the ants on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Both Mommy and Baby Alligator continue to bake their apple pie.
Ta-da! The apple pie is ready.
Yay!
The apple pie is too hot. We will eat them later.
Mommy, can we go to the park to play until then?
Sure, come, let's go.
Both Mommy and Baby Alligator go to the park to play. On their way, they see their friend Mr. Ape.
Hi, Mr. Ape. How are you?
Hi, Mrs. Alligator and Baby Alligator.
Hello, Uncle Ape. What is that orange color fruit that you're eating?
It is called an apricot. Do you want to taste some?
Yes, please.
Here you go, Baby Alligator and Mrs. Alligator.
Wait a minute. Do you hear that sound? I wonder where it's coming from.
They see a woodcutter chopping the tree with an axe. They all rush towards him.
Woodcutter, please stop chopping the trees with your axe.
Yes, he's right. You should not cut down trees. Trees give off oxygen that we need to breathe. They also provide shade and cools our environment.
I'm sorry, I will stop cutting down the trees.
The woodcutter drops his axe down and runs away. Baby and Mommy Alligator and Mr. Ape go to the park to play.
Mommy, look at the airplane flying in the sky. I want to fly in the airplane too.
Sure, baby, we shall fly one day too. It's getting dark. Shall we go home?
Bye, Mrs. Alligator. Bye, baby alligator.
Bye, Mr. Ape.
Bye, Uncle Ape.
Both Mommy and Baby Alligator reach their home.
Mommy, shall we eat the apple pie?
Sure, baby. Here you go.
It's very delicious, Mommy. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, baby.
Mommy, I'm going to bed. I'm very tired. Good night, Mommy.
Good night, baby.
Baby Alligator goes to his bed. That night, Baby Alligator dreams of becoming an astronaut. An angel comes to bless him with his wish. Hello again, honey bunnies. Hope you like the story. Shall we look at all the words starting with A? Alligator. Apple. Ant. Apple pie. Ape. Apricot. Axe. Airplane. Astronaut. Angel. We have come to the end of the video. If you like this video, click on the like button. If you want to watch more similar videos, click on the subscribe button. For instant notifications, click on the bell icon. Bye. See you next time.